Right then, guys, let's have a little chat about pizza. We all love it, don't we? That gorgeous, cheesy, saucy circle of pure happiness. But sometimes we feel a bit naughty tucking into a massive slice, thinking about the carbs and all that. What if I told you you could have a pizza that's absolutely delicious and light as a feather, super low in carbs, and won't leave you feeling heavy? It's true, your golden ticket to guilt-free pizza night. Quick, easy, and it slaps. Not a fad, getting clever with veg. Turned into something magical. A crispy golden crust that holds all your favorite toppings. Sneaking veggies in, even the kids will clamber for a slice. Simple, honest ingredients, no fancy kit, about half an hour. Let's get in the kitchen. Forget what you thought about healthy pizza. This is discovery, not compromise. That cauliflower base delivers crunch and subtle flavor pairs perfectly with rich tomato sauce, bubbly, melted cheese. Make it midweek or for the weekend, all the joy, none of the guilt. Great for carb watchers. So tasty, everyone asks for the recipe. Roll up your sleeves. We're doing this step by step, nice and easy. Simple, fun, utterly scrumptious. A celebration of food. You can have it all ready. Lovely jubbly. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's get all our lovely bits and bobs lined up. A good cook is an organized cook. Having everything ready to go makes the whole process smooth and stress-free. For this brilliant cauliflower pizza, you don't need a massive shopping list, just a few simple quality ingredients. One good-sized head of cauliflower. About a cup of cauliflower rice will make it. Store-bought cauliflower rice is an option, or make it yourself, dead easy. A good handful of shredded mozzarella, about a quarter cup for the crust. A bit more mozzarella for gooey topping. About a quarter cup of almond flour. Almond flour adds a subtle, nutty flavor. One beautiful free-range egg, our super binder. Half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon dried Italian seasoning, a little pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, mixing to build layers of flavor. Toppings time, get creative. Quarter cup of rich tomato pizza sauce. Look for no added sugar on the jar. Pepperoni slices, sliced colorful bell pepper, salty olives, earthy mushrooms. Your pizza, choose your toppings. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees. Large baking sheet and parchment paper. Parchment prevents sticking and makes cleanup easy. All ingredients in place, ready to go. Kitchen about to smell incredible. Let's do this. All right, let's get our hands dirty and make this crust. This is where the magic begins. First, a lovely head of cauliflower. Chop into big florets. Pop those florets into the food processor. Give it a few short pulses. Whiz, whiz, whiz. Stop when it's broken down into rice-sized pieces, not mush, using frozen cauliflower rice. Make sure it's fully thawed. Now, the most important step, get that cauliflower as dry as possible. Pop it into a clean tea towel or some cheesecloth. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Wring out all that extra water. Once it's nice and dry, chuck it into a big mixing bowl. Add a quarter cup of shredded mozzarella. Add a quarter cup of almond flour. Add garlic powder. Add Italian herbs. Add a good pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a quick toss to get everything acquainted. Finally, crack in your egg. The hero. Don't be shy. Get your hands in and mix until it's a sticky, dough-like ball. Take your baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Plop your cauliflower mixture right into the middle. Using your hands or the back of a spoon, start pressing the mixture outwards from the center. Aim for a nice, round pizza shape about a quarter of an inch thick. Make the edges a little thicker if you like. Create a real crust. Once you're happy with the shape, pop that baking sheet into your preheated oven. Let it bake for about 20 minutes. You're looking for the crust to be firm to the touch and beautifully golden brown around the edges. While that's in the oven, get your sauce and toppings ready. The kitchen should be smelling absolutely amazing by now. Section 4, the fun part. Topping it all off like a pro. Right, the crust is out of the oven, golden and gorgeous. The hard work is done. Carefully take the baking sheet out of the oven. The crust will be hot. Watch your fingers. Let it sit for just a minute. Grab your tomato sauce. Using the back of a spoon, spread about a quarter cup of sauce evenly. Leave a little border. Don't overload the sauce, keep the base crisp. Unleash your creativity with toppings, pepperoni slices, chopped bell peppers, sliced red onion, mushrooms, olives, fresh spinach, crumbled feta, dollops of pesto. Don't overload the pizza. Let toppings cook through and keep the crust crisp. Final flourish, cheese time. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella generously. Cheese melts into a bubbly, gooey blanket. Try Parmesan for sharpness, or provolone for extra stretch. Pizza fully loaded, final trip to the oven. Carefully slide the baking sheet back in. 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Melt until bubbly and golden brown in spots. The smell will be irresistible. Get your plates ready. Section 5. Tuck in the big finale of flavor. Ding! The timer goes off, and it's the moment of truth. Carefully pull that baking sheet out of the oven and behold your creation. Just look at that. A stunning, golden, bubbly pizza that looks and smells absolutely incredible. The cheese is melted to perfection, the toppings are sizzling, and the crust is beautifully browned. But hold your horses, don't dive in just yet. The final secret to a perfect cauliflower pizza is to let it rest for a few minutes. This little bit of patience allows the crust to firm up properly, making it much easier to slice and ensuring it holds together beautifully when you pick up a piece. After a few minutes of cooling, it's time to serve up. Place your pizza on a wooden board or a large plate. Grab a pizza cutter or a big, sharp knife and slice it into wedges. Listen for that satisfying crunch as you cut through the crispy base. That's the sound of success, my friend. You can garnish it with a few fresh basil leaves or a little sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you like a bit of heat. Now, stand back and admire your handiwork. You've just made a healthy, low-carb pizza from scratch in about 30 minutes. Now, for the best part of all, tucking in. Grab a slice and take that first bite. Taste the crispy, savory crust, the rich tomato sauce, the gooey cheese, and all those delicious toppings coming together in perfect harmony. It's a flavor explosion, and the best part. Each generous slice comes in at around 250 calories. It's a meal you can feel genuinely good about, one that satisfies those pizza cravings without any of the heaviness. It's perfect on its own, or you could serve it with a simple, fresh green salad and lemon juice. Pukka! So there you have it, folks. A simple, delicious, and incredibly satisfying low-carb cauliflower pizza that's guaranteed to become a new favorite in your house. It's proof that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun, creative, and absolutely scrumptious. I really hope you give this recipe a go. Get in the kitchen, have some fun with it, and share it with the people you love. Food is all about bringing people together and making them happy, and this pizza does just that. Enjoy every single bite. Lovely jubbly.